Hello guys, it's Lucky75 from Hardware Heaven channel. Today I want to show you something very nice, very interesting. From a lot of time I try to find out this magic speaker from Apple, which is amazing. It's very hard to find such things here in Bulgaria, Central Eastern Europe, but finally I got one and I want to unbox this baby to see what is inside the box. Also, the seller told me that this box is for North America, so I will have a trouble with power, and they give me this charger which can translate the standards for the power output. Okay, alright, so let's see what we have inside this small nice box. But let's first check it. We have small plus and minus. This one is a black one. And I want to see baby. So let's open the box. All right. The moment of truth. Come on, don't be shy. Yeah. Nice and solid box, like everything from Apple. And here is it. Oops. Small and solid. Very nice, with plus and minus. Also with power cable. Type C. Nice. Let's see what else we have inside the box. So here is a lot of stickers, user manual, cards, okay, and a lot of languages actually, yeah. And here we are. We have power adapter, and the seller give me the truth. So I need to put it like that, and after that I can use it like every usual power adapter. Okay, nice. What else? We don't have more things here, but later I will show you a review how this amazing speaker is working. So that's all for my side. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, press the like button below or subscribe for my channel. This should be very nice for me because I want to prepare a lot of videos like that for any kind of technical products and any kind of gaming, of course. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.